Hi guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with print-on-demand dropshipping. People are making over 10k a month using this new method I'm about to show you. If you've ever wanted to sell your own custom products with your own branded designs, like t-shirts, hoodies, bags, mugs, etc., then print-on-demand is the best way to start, as we don't handle any products, shipping or anything at all. The whole thing is completely automated. It literally takes us less than 10 minutes to get set up, and you don't have to spend any money at all. Print on demand works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, we create a free account with a print on demand supplier. Step 2, we create an online store and choose the products we want to sell. And then step 3, we create and upload our logos and designs for our chosen products. It's that simple. Once we've done this, whenever a customer purchases a product from our store, our print on demand supplier will take care of the rest. They create the products with our designs, they stock them in their warehouses, they ship the products to the customers, etc. The best part is we don't need to pay a monthly fee for the service or spend any money to get started. So this business is completely zero risk for us, as it costs us nothing. I'm going to show you how to do all of this for free with this new method step by step. Let's dive straight in. Before we get started, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And if you're a new subscriber on my channel, then let me know by dropping a comment below the video saying I subscribed, and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's get started. So let's get started with step 1. Create a free account with a print on demand supplier. We're going to be using one of the best print on demand suppliers out there, which is Printful. And I just want to give a quick shout out to Printful for sponsoring this video. So head on over to Printful and click on sign up, and I'll leave a link to Printful in the video description. Then fill out your details and click submit. Then just quickly fill out the details here and go ahead and click the link in the confirmation email they send us. So next, let's get started with step 2, research product ideas. Now that we have our Printful account ready, we need to come up with design concepts and create products. If you're a complete beginner and you're still unsure what to sell, we can make this super easy by using AI. So head on over to ChatGPT, and I'll leave a link to this in the video description. So sign up for a free ChatGPT account, and once you log in, you can search what's the best niche ideas for print on demand, and that will give you a bunch of ideas here. If you're in the women's entrepreneur niche, then you can narrow this down further by searching something like what's the best print on demand products for the women's entrepreneur niche. Then you can see it not only gives us popular product ideas here, but it also gives us quote ideas too. So then you can go even further into this by typing something like what are the best quotes to use for print on demand products for female entrepreneurs, and this gives us a ton of info here. Now to see this visually and get some more ideas, I'm going to head on over to Amazon, and I've decided I'm going to focus on mugs. So I'm going to search mugs here, then I'm going to sort by best sellers. Now you can scroll down and look at these to get some ideas of what's popular and what's proven to sell, and you can see some of these have hundreds of positive reviews. And you can also search on Pinterest as well to get some ideas there too. So I like these funny mugs here, and this one is really popular, so I'm going to replicate success by making one similar to this. So now let's move on to step 3, create our product designs. So I've decided to focus on the human niche, and I'm going to create mugs around this. So now I want to recreate this funny mug here, so head on over to Canva, and I'll leave a link to Canva in the video description. So sign up for a free Canva account and then log in. Then you can just skip this stuff to go to the main page. Now under the search bar, let's choose custom size here. Now depending on what products you want to sell, whether it's a mug, a hoodie or whatever, you need to know what size to make your design here. And I've got a free guide for you showing you all the different sizes you need to use for different products. So go ahead and click the link in the video description to access that. So for a mug, I want it to be 1125 by 1125 pixels. So let's enter that here and click create new design. So now I'm going to take a look at the one on Amazon and make something similar to this. So first I'll click on elements and then shapes, and let's use this square with curved edges. Now I can make this yellow, and if I click that I can choose a more specific tone of yellow here. So that looks good, so I'm going to do that again to create the next one, and then drag it to the right size and make it orange. Now I'll do another and make this one red. Now I'm going to do this one last time and make this one dark blue. Now let's click text and add heading, and then type body. Now drag that to resize it and position it. And let's change the font to Poppins here. So now we just need an icon. So I'm over on this website here, and I'll leave a link to this in the video description, or you can just find a site like this on Google by searching free icons. So now I'm going to search bald man here, and then find one I like here. I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to click on that and click to download the PNG file. So then open that icon in Microsoft Paint or whatever software you want, and I'm going to change the color to be a light blue here. So once you've done that, copy it over to Canva, and then just resize and align the text and image, and we're done. Once you finish, click on share, download, and then download the PNG file. So now we have our design, we can go ahead and create our product and then upload our design onto it. So now let's move on to step 4, creating our products. So go back to the Printful dashboard and click on product catalog. If you click on all products here, you can see there are loads of different products you can sell. And then you can click on the products to find out more information. Now head on over to product templates and click on create product. Search for the product you want to sell. I'm going to search mug here and click on the white glossy mug. Now select the size you want. I'm going to choose 11 ounces as that's a standard mug size, but you can pick whatever you want here. Now click here to upload our design we created in Canva. Then agree to the terms and click save and close. Then upload our design here. Now click to apply that design. You can drag the design to whichever side of the cup you want it to be on, but I want the design to be on both sides of the cup, so I'm going to click duplicate the design on both sides. That looks good to me, so now click save to templates. Now you can click create new product and then repeat the process for the other products you want to sell. Let's hover over this sample products and click the 3 dots and click delete. Now you do have the option to create your design straight inside Printful, which is really cool. So let me create one more product here and show you how to do that. So click create new product. And I'm going to pick this baseball cap right here. Now instead of uploading our logo here, we can click on the text option here, then type in whatever you want here. And you can use the formatting options here to customize that further. So then go ahead and click save to template. So when you create your products here, you want to keep them consistent across your niche. You don't want to be mixing different products from different niches under the same store here. You want to keep it consistent so you've got a consistent brand here. So now let's move on to step 5, setting up our online store. So inside the Printful dashboard, click on stores here and you can see the quick stores option here. If you don't see this, don't panic, I'll tell you what to do in a moment. So click on create store now, then click on continue. So now we want to pick a store name and a web address and a logo. And this will basically create a free online store for us directly through Printful. If you need help coming up with a business name, then you can use this site right here, and that will help you come up with a cool name for your store. And I'm going to leave a link to this in the video description. You can also create your logo over on Canva just like we did earlier, and make sure it's the right dimensions here. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you don't see the quick stores option here, it's because this is currently only available to people in the USA, although they may expand this later to other countries. But don't worry if you're not in the USA, because we can still do this very easily by connecting Shopify to our Printful account, and then Printful will automatically sync all of our products over on Shopify. This is very quick and easy and takes just a couple of minutes, and I'm going to cover this in just a moment. And I've created a free guide showing you how to do this step by step, so be sure to check out the link below the video for that. So for those of you that have the quick stores option here, you want to fill in these details and then click create store. Now let's add products we created. So click add product, then click my product templates, click the product to add it, and then click proceed to mockups, and then choose mockups. Then we have a choice of different photos we can use for our products. Choose whatever you want here and click continue. Then fill in your title and description and click continue. So now on this page we can set our price compared to the Printful price. So we can see here what our actual profit will be for each sale. So you can see we can increase the retail price here, and you can see the amount we earn per sale goes up too. So set a price you're comfortable with here. If possible, you want to make it so we get at least $10 profit on every sale. So that means we'd have to sell the products at this price here in order to achieve that. So when you're done here, click submit to store. So you just want to repeat that for the other products we created earlier. So let's go ahead and view our store. So click view my store here to see how our store looks. So you can see it looks really nice and clean here. So using the quick stores option here is the easiest way to create an online store for $0 and sell our products. And then you can copy your website link here and share it online and on your social media pages to drive visitors and sales on your store, which we will look at in just a moment. So when someone visits our site, they can click on our products here, purchase them, and Printful will pay us for the sale. And this costs us $0 a month to have this basic source set up and running, which is awesome. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can also create a store on Shopify and then connect it to Printful here, and that will sync all of our products over to our Shopify store. So we can automate our print on demand store through Shopify's integration with Printful. So that's an option if you're not able to use a quick stores option here. And if you want a more advanced store, then Shopify is a better option, but the quick store option is great for beginners that just want a simple store setup. So let me quickly show you how to connect Printful to your Shopify store. So click on the Shopify link in the video description to sign up for Shopify for just $1 for the first 3 months. Then enter your email and sign up here. Then choose a password and create your Shopify account. You can fill out the questions here or just click skip. Then choose the $1 option for 3 months, or you can click skip and then get 3 days for free with Shopify. Now if we head back to Printful and click on stores, you can choose your store's platform here. So go ahead and click on choose platform, then under Shopify click connect. Then under step 2 click get the app and then click install. And then click install again. Now just sign up with your Printful account here. Then confirm the connection to Printful, and then we're brought back to the Printful dashboard. So if you click on stores, you can see our Shopify store is now linked to our Printful account. So just like earlier, you're going to click on add products to add the products to your store in the exact same way we did earlier. So follow those steps we took earlier for this. So once you set the pricing for your products you create, you just want to click on submit and the products will be imported into your Shopify store. So if we go back to Shopify and click on products here, you're going to see the new products that have just been added to the store automatically by Printful. If you want to learn how to fully customize your Shopify store and get everything set up, then I have a free training for that in the video description as well. Now I also recommend you order samples of your products to see what they actually look like in real. And this will also be useful if you want to take your own photos of your products later. So if you want to do that, just go to Printful and click on order sample. So now let's move on to step 6, getting traffic to our store. So obviously in order to make sales, we need visitors to our store. A great way to get free traffic is using Pinterest, because people use Pinterest like a search engine. Over on Pinterest, you can create pins using keywords that people search, and these can link directly to your store's product through the pins we create, so people can shop this way as well. So this is a great way for people to find our products and shop through our store. Another great traffic source is TikTok. So in this video I focus on creating humor-based products. So if you have a funny meme page on TikTok for example, then you can add the link to your store in your bio, because people that are interested in funny meme pages may also be interested in humor-based products. If you want to learn more ways to get traffic and sales to your store, then be sure to check out the free guide in the video description. And if you want to take things to the next level, then definitely check out my premium training, and you can find the link for that in the video description. If you like this video, then let me know by smashing that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click here.